Silver last month has seen a good drop and has been traded in the month in a red and closed the month in red now as close to 2280 levels. In fact, it has seen a drop close to 2220 before reversing till there. Now in this analysis, we will analyze and decide the levels which can be expected for silver, not only for the next week but also for the complete month of July. So we will try to find out the possible move which can be expected out of silver and the positions you can take. So do watch till the end. First we'll look into candlestick charts, followed with indicators. Towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy summarizing the observation from both the indicators and the charts. Do watch till the end. And yes, please, before leaving the video, do press the like button and share, subscribe and comment. Also press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day targets which I share for silver. First with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch both the analysis. So also you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the daily charts. See, after getting the resistance here at 26, you can see a sharp drop, then a retracement, consolidation at around 24, and then this sharp drop here. So yes, it is still trading on the daily charts in this bearish channel. Now this is an increasingly bearish channel, and with this we have discussed in our analysis several times earlier that drop till here, retracement to the top of the channel. Now it is almost reversing from the middle of the channel. Now what should be considered a reversal and a breakout here is, first it needs to come out of this zone, specifically about 2350 and $24 levels. If you see silver trading about 24 any point of time, consider that it has reversed and that should be treated as a breakout, and then beyond this we may see silver flying high. Now just observe the last few candles here. See, after the sharp drop we have seen higher lows, higher highs. Now higher highs, also look at the last three candles here. Couple of retracement with the higher lows and then this reversal. Now just wait for it to break past beyond $23 and potentially we are looking at 2350 from there, and staying about 2350. Beyond that is the point beyond which little more bullishness is going to pull the prices higher. So beyond 2350 is what you should treat. This is a little breakout till towards 2380, $24 levels here. So this is one observation. At the same time, see, it is trading in this. See, this is still a retracement because the movement is smaller than the sharp drop here. What we had seen here can be expected here, and hence a retracement till towards 2350 also should not be treated as a reversal. Now what could expect on the downside? Now since this is the beginning of the month, first we know that only about 2350 and 24 it should be considered bullish. Also you can see a retracement, and now once it breaks below this zone, below 2250 any point of time or 2240 any point of time in the near future, you can treat this as a bearish breakout, below which you can expect 2150, and then a sharper drop can be expected below those levels. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly charts. Now if you follow the weekly charts, you will find, see, this was the consolidation. Since then I had told you that it is bound to rise high, and see what a bullish reversal we have seen here. We have almost achieved 26. Now see, 24, 20, 26, 22, almost $4 of trading range. Also if you look at this movement, see, silver is trading in this bullish channel, rise retracement. Now it is looking upwards. Now also remember, till in fact 22 and 2150 it has still got a greater support, and the potential recovery can be expected. Till the time silver trades about 2150, we can see that it is still going to bounce back strong. Now look at the last week's movement. See, first of all, couple of bearish candles here. You will find that silver is trading in this sideways bearish channel here. One bearish, then sideways bearish. Hence this is also indicating that 24 is the level beyond which certainly silver is to be traded for a reversal, and then potentially we are looking at higher highs, which means $28 levels in the near future. Now just look at the last two candles. Higher lows are seen here, and if you just connect these two lows, you will find, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. 8 candles bouncing back precisely from this line. This makes this as a very strong support line. Also this is just to be treated as a breakout. Now if you just draw a duplicate to this line, you will find This is the channel in which it is trading, and we have already seen this, and hence this level till 22 also becomes very important for silver here. Now see, last week what has happened, after giving higher lows it has bounced back, and hence any opening above 2280 should be treated as positive, and potentially we may see it breaking on the upside at least till towards 2350 levels, and in fact 24 levels. So till 24 we should not treat this for a reversal. Potentially next week it might try to rise till towards this zone, and then next to next week will decide which direction it gives a breakout, because on the upside it has also got a greater resistance and it is trading in this bearish channel. So it has to come out of this zone ultimately between 24 and 22 in order to decide a direction. Now just observe a little long term charts. See, silver here stayed bullish. Since then we have seen silver trading in this bearish flag. It has already given a breakout earlier, and I will potentially expect it to give a breakout again and continue with the bullish momentum. Coming to the monthly, similar observation on the monthly charts. Just one observation here, 26 double top was seen and since then a pullback. Also now see the candle size here, the bearishness has diminished here, which means that prices are not willing to stay lower. Also you can see it is trading in this bullish channel here, and hence in fact, even if you see, if you just connect this last three candles, you will find that till 2150 also the potential to bounce back exists very strong. And as I said, on the upside, once it trades beyond 24 we can expect 2450, and beyond that sky is the limit on the upside. Now we have seen the charts, let's have a look with the help of indicators. So if you look at the moving average, the prices were divergent from the moving average. It has come down till towards these moving averages. That's a good sign. The retracement is done. Potentially a bounce back from here cannot be denied. If you look at StochXAUUSD, this was also overbought. But see, StochXAUUSD has still got a little room on the downside. However, when it was bearish also, it stayed oversold, and hence it can potentially bounce back also on the upside. Now look at MACD. See, the crossover on MACD has happened here. Since then we have seen modest bullishness, though it is converged here but not yet crossed over, and hence it is still not to be treated bearish. Now see, this was the time when the crossover has happened on the monthly charts. A good rise was seen. Since then we have seen the bearishness almost has come down to these levels. Now it has crossed over, and hence this wave should continue for a little while, and potentially this gives me an expectation that we may see a little rise in silver in the coming months. RSI has started to look down, just be watchful here. Coming to the weekly, likewise on the weekly chart, see the prices were divergent from the moving averages. This is the exponential moving averages here, 20, 50 and 100, and now it has, the price is breached below 20, 50, 100 period moving average. Now see, still they are trading one over other, which is still a bullish sign, though they have started to converge but not yet crossed over. So till the time they don't cross over, potential bullishness is still intact. StochXAUUSD on the weekly charts after this sharp drop or retracement, and again now looking downwards. Now see the MACD is one which is extremely divergent, extremely bearish here. Now see, this is coming after a double top here, but this does not mean that silver cannot fly higher. It can potentially fly high also. Hence still we have to wait a potential conversion from here, and a crossover will still take it on the upside. RSI has dropped and it is now trading in a comfortable zone. Coming to the daily, now look at the daily charts. We have discussed this several times in our daily analysis. See, the moving averages have crossed over here. This is still a bearish sign. However, the 50 and 100 crossover yet to happen. At the same time, one must not forget the divergence of the price from the moving average. Hence, there should be a conversion of price, which means 2350 2360 levels should be achieved before it tries to look forward to a directional breakout. And yes, any move above 24 certainly is a bullish indication here. StochXAUUSD at a comfortable zone, neither bullish nor bearish, neither overbought nor oversold. On the weekly charts, one part see first drop, retracement, second drop. Now it is willing to converge, though it is not yet crossed over, And see, this is happening at a lower levels, and you can see silver is still trading in this channel, and hence if it crosses over on the upside, certainly that should be treated as a reversal. Potentially we are looking for an upside from here. RSI is also looking upwards on the daily chart. Hence, now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to summarize, to conclude, and give you the trading levels not only for next week, for the month of complete July. And hence, you have to listen to it carefully and note down the levels. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my 23rd mentorship batch, which is now starting on 10th of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, equip yourself with the tools, techniques and strategies curated by a number of years of experience, which can definitely help you identify profitable trades, be it commodity, forex, indices, crypto, anything. So just join the course. Reach out to me for more details. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. On the buy side, I will recommend you to buy here at 22.90. Beyond this, see, 23.20 is the greater resistance which I will expect, but this zone completely has a good resistance here. In fact, 23 is the first milestone, and beyond that 23.20. Staying above 23.20, the next target is directly till towards 23.50 levels. Now this is also the greater resistance. Beyond this, we can expect 23.80 levels, and if it stays above 23.80, 24 is the target. Staying above 24, just stay long. This is not only for the week next, but also for the next forthcoming weeks in the month of July. Beyond 24.50, sky is the limit on the upside. Beyond this, we may see 25, and then in fact 26 and 28 levels very soon to be seen here. Hence, you have to be watchful first of this zone 23.50 and then 24. Staying above this, certainly we can say we can remain 80% bullish. If it stays above $24 levels, we can stay 80% bullish. Above 24.50, we can say 100% bullishness. Definitely we will be hitting beyond $26 levels if it stays above 25. And this could happen in the month of July itself, so we have to remain cautious and watchful, but then potentially do not get so aggressive, as the market always shows, and hence always keep shifting your stop losses. Now on the sell side, where to sell? Here I will recommend you to sell at 22.60. Now below 22.60 and 22.40, very good support exists here. Now 22.60, 22.40, 22.20 are three support levels on the downside. Only and only if you see silver breaking below 22.20, you can say we may see a further bearishness till towards 22 and then 21.50 levels. Below 21.50, aggressively it will try to break past 21, and if it does, then certainly 2000 levels are very nearby. I do not expect silver to drop below 21 anytime soon. Potential bounce back should be there. That is my expectation. Hence, take your trades accordingly. On the downside also, we have to remain watchful, specifically between now 22 and 24 is the zone where one has to keep the extra focus and attention, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop. Before leaving the video, please press the like button and support the effort out here. Also do share, subscribe and comment to the maximum so that everyone can benefit and the channel can also grow. Also, you can join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.